Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-talking about a fruit that's not only delicious and crunchy, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. That's right, we're diving into the amazing world of apples. You've probably heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and while it might sound like an old cliché, there's a lot of truth packed into that simple phrase. So let's peel back the layers and find out why this humble fruit deserves a prime spot in your diet. First up, let's talk about fiber. Apples are loaded with it, especially a type called pectin. This fiber is fantastic for your digestive system. It acts like a broom, helping to keep things moving smoothly and promoting a healthy gut. A happy gut is linked to better overall health, from a stronger immune system to even a better mood. So, grabbing an apple is a simple way to support your digestive wellness every single day. But that's not all. Apples are a great source of vitamin C. We all know vitamin C is crucial for a robust immune system, helping your body fight off common colds and other bugs. Having an apple gives you a nice little boost of this essential vitamin, helping to keep you feeling your best, especially during those seasons when everyone around you seems to be sick. Plus, vitamin C is an antioxidant, which brings me to my next point. Apples are packed with various antioxidants like quercetin and flavonoids. Now, what do antioxidants do? Think of them as your body's personal bodyguards. They help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. This cellular protection is super important for long-term health and can help reduce the risk of chronic conditions. So, every bite of an apple is like sending in a tiny team of protectors for your body. One of the best things about apples is how filling they are. Because they're high in both fiber and water, they make for an incredibly satisfying snack. If you find yourself reaching for chips or cookies between meals, try swapping them for an apple. It'll help curb your hunger, keep you feeling full for longer, and prevent you from overeating at your next meal. It's a smart and simple strategy for managing your weight without feeling deprived. Now for a pro tip that will make a huge difference. Eat the skin. A lot of the apple's fiber and a significant portion of its nutrients and antioxidants are concentrated right in the peel. So, if you peel your apples, you're missing out on some of the best parts. Just make sure to give it a good wash first, and then enjoy the whole fruit for maximum benefits. There are so many varieties to choose from: Granny Smith, Gala, Fuji, red delicious each with its own unique flavor and texture. You can enjoy them fresh, slice them into salads, bake them into desserts, or even blend them into smoothies. The possibilities are endless. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to add more apples to your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay healthy and see you soon.